name is Alam and I'm from Aizawl, Mizoram. Actually, I had a chipped tooth since I was 8 years old, and now I'm currently a cadet of TS Chanakya. I actually searched for a dental clinic near TS Chanakya, and I found this amazing clinic named Oroface. It is in Karave village in front of the Ganeshwar lake. Yeah, at first I was not very confident about my teeth. Like when we take pictures with our friends, their teeth were really amazing. But I had this broken teeth, so whenever I smiled there was some lack of confidence. But now I really feel confident. The experience was amazing and they really treated me well. Now I feel that my teeth is looking great, and yes, it feels like a normal teeth now before as compared to before, and yes, I feel confident than before. It was done only in the single appointment, and yes, I just came for an appointment and it was done on the same day as well. Thank you.
हर मुस्कान के पीछे एक कहानी होती है और उस कहानी को हम दोबारा लिखते हैं। ओरोफेस, भारत का स्माइल एक्सपर्ट।